product of lithium aluminum hydride with organic compound. So lithium aluminum hydride is reacted in presence of solvent ether, because in presence of water, the water will react with the lithium aluminum hydride. So go for the mechanism separately. I am not discussing the mechanism right now. So here we will get two hydrogen, one hydride and from the lithium aluminum hydride, and second hydrogen from the acid catalyzed water, means proton. So one is hydride, one is hydrogen, that is proton, and they will reduce this compound into the alkane or corresponding alcohol. So this is ester, this is CO groups. So in this one hydride, this is the in presence of this lithium aluminum hydride. So there will be electromagnetic effect will take place. So this shifting of pi bond with this side, so hydride ion will easily attack on this side, and followed by hydrolysis of acid catalyzed hydrolysis take place. So product will, I am writing directly product. So normally the cleavage of bond takes place. This will convert into water. This will convert into water by using 2 proton and 1 H here. So we will get 2 hydride. So 2 product, one is PH, then C. So this will turn into alcohol. One carbon, second carbon, and again OH, and this will convert into alcohol. So I am writing directly formula O and Me. So this is the final product. So this 2 hydrogen is coming from the hydride ion and 1 hydrogen coming from the proton. So this is the answer. This is the acid chloride. This is not acid chloride, this is your anhydride. You can see anhydride, COO bond, anhydride bond. So in this anhydride, what will happen? This will reduce to 2 moles of alcohol. So you can break bond this side or this side. So suppose you are breaking this bond, so it will convert into alcohol. So this will convert into, so right here Me, this will be your alcohol, and again this will convert into again alcohol. So again bond will break this side. So there will be 2 moles of alcohol will be formed, and this will convert into water. So we can say water is there. So product is 2 moles of methanol. This compound is acid chloride. So in this way, when lithium aluminum hydride react, followed by acid hydrolysis, so this will be reduced to you can say benzyl alcohol. You can see, so it will be converted into, here will be your OH, this will be converted to hydride, this will be released as a water, and Cl will be released. So answer will be your this is the product of this reactant. So this compound is a cyclic ester. You can see the cyclic compound ester is there. So again in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, what will happen? This portion bond will break, and this will convert into alcohol. So this will be one alcohol, this one alcohol, this will release as a water. So there will be 2 diols. It will convert into diols. So let us see what is diols. So first write product. This is methane. Methyl is there, OH is there, and this is converted into OH, and this is again converted to OH. So this is your diol product on reaction with the lithium aluminum hydride. So this is your nitrile group. So nitrile group is reduced to amines. So it will convert into like this product. So hydride and hydrogen, hydride, hydrogen. So it will get 1 hydrogen, 1 hydride, and 1 NH and H. So this is your called primary amine. So this is your amide, NH2 is amide. So amide is converted into again primary amine. This will be converted into water, and again 2 hydride this side, 2 hydrogen this side. So answer will be your like this is. So this is amine. So here minus H2 you can write here. This convert to water also. So this proton we are getting from the acid, and 2 hydride we are getting from the lithium aluminum hydride catalyst. So we'll get product primary amine from amide. From amide to primary amine. So again see it is the same way. This is your again amide is there. So again this will be reduced to hydrogen alkane. It will be your secondary. This is your tertiary amine. So answer will be same as it is. So here you write it N, and this will be your, so this will convert into tertiary amine, and this is same. This is also an amide. You can say this is also amide. So this is an cyclic anhydride. This is your cyclic anhydride, and so we can clearly see. So on in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, so there will be cleavage of bond this side. Here will be 2 hydrogen. This is converted to alkane. This will be as a water. Same thing happen will this side also. This will also convert into alcohol and so water. So final product will get like this. So this will be your OH and this will be your OH. So we will get 2 alcohol. So this will convert into it will reduce into diol groups. So this answer is diol. So this is our final answer. So again, in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, this will be reduced to alkane. So we can write like this compound. This is your NH. Again, this will convert into alkane. So this is your secondary amine. So this is your amide group and alkene is there. So alkene is not affected by the lithium aluminum hydride. So we can write lithium aluminum hydride do not attack on alkene. So it will not be reduced. So we will get product. So this is will be your NH, PH. This will reduce to alkane, and after that 3. So 1, 2, 3. So this will be your double bond. So this is our final product. So yes, I am repeating, alkene is not attacked by the lithium aluminum hydride. So we will get this product as this will be as it is. So we can say this is an ozonide. This is clearly this is an ozonide. So in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, so this will convert into aldehyde. So there will be cleavage of bond this side, one this side. So this will convert into formaldehyde. This will convert into other aldehyde. So this is will be, answer will be OH, and this will convert into, we can see here O and here H, means one hydride this side, one hydrogen this side. So it will go like this one. So first it will be not this way. First it will convert into aldehyde, and then again if you do lithium aluminum hydride, then this will convert. This will convert into alcohol, and this will convert into. So this is one product. No? So this is your convert into your OH, means methanol. We can see methanol. It is not first. First this will be in presence of ozone. It will convert to aldehyde, then followed by lithium aluminum. It will convert to alcohol and methanol. So this is our answer.